Hey subbies, I'm about to share with you something fun and exciting, something I've been extremely anxious for, but extremely happy to have now. And that is my brand new filming camera. It is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I have been extremely eager to get this camera and I'm so happy to have it now. And I'm also going to be doing an unboxing for you and also share with you a clip of what the footage is like when using this camera as well. So upon opening the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II box, you have the camera, which is absolutely beautiful. It is still surreal to be owning this camera, but it is absolutely worth it in every sense of the word. And in the box you also get the charger and battery. I really like how with this camera it just plugs into the wall socket, which makes it super easy and convenient without needing to have an AC adapter and the USB cord to then plug into the camera to charge the battery. I really enjoy that a lot. And the camera also comes with this really handy dandy wrist strap, which I also really enjoy having, especially when you are vlogging or taking photos. It makes it so much easier and more comfortable to use without the risk of dropping it, because nobody wants to break a camera, especially a Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. And in the box you also get this wonderful instruction manual as well. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II Getting Started Guide. And you'll be getting started with a lot of reading. And for this camera I also bought a memory card just to be sure that I'd have enough room for all of my vlogging and photos. This here's the memory card that I got. It is a SanDisk 64GB memory card. And I really like with the charger there how simple it is to be able to insert it into the wall, as well as to insert the battery into the charger and into the camera as well. You click the battery into place and the lock from the camera engages, as well as you put the memory card in. And you snap the memory card into place, and when you lock the door that covers the battery and the memory card, make sure you slide the switch all the way over to securely lock it in place. On the bottom of the G7X Mark II is a tripod mount, which makes it super easy to attach to any tripod. And I'm also going to be showing you in the next clip here what the footage looks like on this camera. So stay tuned. Hey subbies, this here is an example of the footage using the Canon G7X Mark II. I really hope that this unboxing was as fun for you as it was for me, as well as being able to see the quality of the footage that this camera can capture, which I am super grateful to have this camera and to be able to share my unboxing video, as well as the quality of this camera, so you can see both aspects of it, which I loved doing this unboxing. It was my first unboxing that I've done on this channel, and I can't wait to do some more unboxings in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure, if you would like to know anything about my experience with this camera so far, leave them in the comments down below. I'd love to respond to them. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, wonderful uploads that I have to share with each and every one of you. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And be sure you're also following me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I will have it popped up here on the screen. I love to share library hauls, book reviews, beautiful breakfasts, lovely lunches, and delicious dinners. So make sure you're following me, as well as following me on Twitter. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. I love to play hashtag games. I have never had more fun writing in my life than when I do when I play hashtag games. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.